Hi and welcome to this tutorial series. Today we are going to show you how to get your server up and running. In the first part we will cover the topic of installing the hardware. In the second part we will show you how to install the hypervisor Proxmox and how to install your first VM. The server we are going to be installing in is the HP DL360p Gen 8. In this beast we are going to install two Intel Xeon E5 2670s, each featuring 10 cores and 20 threads. First, open the socket, then carefully insert the CPUs. Do this for both sides. These 10-core CPUs are going to be cooled by HP server heatsinks. To install these, you first need to apply some thermal compound to the CPUs. Make sure not to apply too much or too little, or you will hurt the cooling performance. After you've applied the thermal paste, place the CPU heatsink on the processor and tighten all 4 screws down. Make sure to repeat this for the second CPU. This server supports up to 768GB of RAM, yet we are only going to be installing 72GB of DDR3 ECC server memory from HP. Simply slot in the RAM and listen for a little click. Now we are going to install the fans. These fans are modular server fans and won't fit in a normal PC case. Simply open the latch on the fan and insert them into the correct slot at the front of the server. Make sure to install all 8 fans, otherwise the server might not work properly. In this server we have several I/O cards. The first I/O card is an Intel quad gigabit port card. This should already be installed the case, as well as the HP 420i RAID card. While we're on the subject of RAID, let's talk about the drives we are going to install. First we have 2 crucial MX500 SSD drives and 2 3TB Western Digital RAID drives that are going to be installed in the 4 slots the server has. Just insert the drive into the caddy and insert them into the slot. Be aware though that you might need an adapter for the smaller SSD drives. Lastly, we're installing the 2 460 watt redundant power supplies. Just insert the power supplies and listen for a click. Now to finish, we are just adding the top casing and close the server. You should be ready to go. If you want to see how to install a virtual machine with Proxmox, be sure to check out our next video. Thanks so much for watching and see you next time.